Can the President of the United States suspend habeas corpus? Well, first of all, what the heck is habeas corpus? Well, it's Latin, of course. If you speak Spanish, you know that haber means to have. And last week, when a new pope was elected, the person comes out and says, habemus papam, meaning we have a pope. So habeas means we have. Corpus, like Corpus Christi, Texas, the body of Christ, means body. So literally, habeas corpus means you have the body. Well, that's helpful. What does it really mean? It's a writ, which is a document that goes to a court that the judge can say a person who has been in prison has to be brought before the court to have the body to determine if that person is being properly detained or not. It's not guilt or innocence necessarily, but whether the person can be detained in jail, in prison, or otherwise. Its earliest origins come from the Magna Carta a long time ago, and then medieval law, and it was codified, put into written law in England in the 1600s. The framers of the Constitution picked up on that, and by that time, it was a fundamental provision of common law, the law of England. It's so fundamental, in fact, that our Constitution doesn't even say that people have that right. Well, if it's not there, does it mean people don't have the right? Well, no. The Constitution says that the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended unless when in cases of rebellion or invasion, the public safety may require it. So not only do you need a rebellion or invasion, but in either of those cases, the public safety has to require the suspension of habeas corpus. Therefore, could it be suspended? Yes, but we need an invasion or a rebellion, and then it has to be necessary for safety. Is that the case now? I don't see an invasion or rebellion. Abraham Lincoln suspended it, but clearly there was a rebellion. Half the country left. And even that was quite controversial in the time, in the 1860s. Could the president do it? Well, the president could try. Would there be legal pushback? Absolutely. And I suspect, like most other cases involving what the current president is trying to do, that lower courts would say, you just can't do that. The requirements of the Constitution are not met. What would happen when that question gets to the Supreme Court? Who the hell knows?